In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a guest to Trello board. By the end, you'll know how to invite someone by email, choose the right access level, manage invite links, and tidy up invitations when you no longer need them. A quick note before we begin, I won't read out any personal emails or account details, and you shouldn't either when you follow along. Start by opening your browser and heading to Trello's homepage. Make sure you're signed into the account and workspace that owns the board you want to share. From the top navigation, click Boards to see everything you have access to. Then open the board where you want to add a guest. In the top right corner of the board, click Share. This is your main hub for inviting people. In the invite box, type the guest's email address exactly as they use it for Trello. When Trello suggests the matching result beneath the field, click it to stage the invitation. You can add a short message that will appear in their invite email. This is a great place to provide context, deadlines, or a quick welcome so they know why they're being invited. Next, choose the right level of access. By default, guests are added as members, which means they can view and edit cards, move items, and collaborate. If your plan includes premium features, you'll also see the Observer option. Observers have read-only access and can't move or edit cards, useful for clients, stakeholders, or anyone who just needs visibility. Pick the one that fits, then click Share to send the invitation. After sending, you can adjust a guest's role anytime. Open the Share panel again, find the person you invited, and use the role selector next to their name. Switch them to Observer if you want read-only access, or back to Member if you want full collaboration. This flexibility lets you adapt as a project evolves without removing and re-adding people. If someone no longer needs access, you can remove them from the board. In the same Share area, open the menu next to their name and choose Remove from Board. Confirm by clicking Remove. This is immediate and they'll no longer see the board. You can also invite people with a shareable link. In the Share panel, look for the option to copy the link and click Copy Link. Send it to anyone who should join. If that link gets too widely shared or you want to lock it down, click Delete Link and confirm by choosing Delete Share Link. That invalidates the old URL. When you're ready, click Create Link to generate a fresh one and start a new round of invitations. Before you send a link, consider its permissions. Click Change Permissions and decide whether people who use the link can join as members or join as observers. Pick Can Join as Member for collaborators who will edit and move cards, or Can Join as Observer for read-only access. This setting applies to everyone who uses that particular link. To keep tabs on who's in your board, open the board member section in the Share area. Here you'll see everyone with access. If you're using invite links that require approval, check Join Requests to review and approve or deny people waiting to get in. When you're done managing settings, close the panel by clicking the X in the corner. Finally, know that Share appears in multiple places. If you click the three-dotted button in the board header, you'll find another entry point to Share there. Open it, and you'll see the same invite controls. So use whichever location is most convenient. That's it. Invite by email, pick the right role, manage links and permissions, and keep your board clean by removing access when it's no longer needed. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.